Here I am, starting the Hole in the Rock Trail. It's gonna be about 60 miles, and it gets to this really cool slot canyon that takes you down to the lake shores of the western shores of Lake Powell. And I'm gonna start the journey. I just saw a Toyota van come out here, so it doesn't look too like treacherous like the first beginning part, but towards the end you will need four-wheel drive and and high ground clearance. So my car should do the trick, and yeah, should be ready to go. Can't wait. So I've got about maybe 30 miles to go. It's saying an hour and a half to get there. I don't know why it's gonna take that long to get there, but it is what it is. I'm out here though. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Not too cold, honestly. Actually really quite beautiful out here. Grand Staircase National Monument. Let's see what it says. It's a gathering and celebration. Members of the Hole in the Rock expedition found the smooth floor sheltering above, and the natural acoustics of this beautiful sandstone amphitheater. Perfect for fiddle music dancing from mid-November to early January of 1880. These special occasions provided pioneers welcome grief from their labors. Huh, you can sign it. 11/26 was the last one. Let me sign this real quick. Today's date is Saturday, 12/10. 12/10. Okay, 12/10. Omar Khan, Ohio. One day. One hole in the rock. Love you. Matter of music. Let me go check out this amphitheater. So apparently there's a kind of an amphitheater in this cave. Oh, that's how it looks. It looks like an amphitheater. That's pretty cool. Kind of crazy that in 1880 people were out here. That's a long time ago. That's 140 some years ago. That's a long time. Here it is. Walking up here. Well, I'll tell you what. It's pretty cool. It's not too cold. It's not very hot at all, but man, is it cool to be out here. Can't do this in Ohio. I keep saying that, but you really can't. It's like there's a random little garden here almost. They would come out here and play music. Hello! Hello! You can hear it echo a little bit. Hello! Hello! I'm at a place called Dance Hall Rock. It looks pretty cool. It's a whole amphitheater. Hello! Meow. That's funny. Truly just out here. Can you believe at one point people would come here and play music and all sorts of things? And now, it's empty. Maybe some people come out here and do music at some point, but not right now at least. Dance Hall Rock. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I don't know if I can see my car from here. I don't think I can really see it. I wish there was some like riding left over or something here. There it is. There's the amphitheater. Pretty cool out here. Wow. I'll post this on my YouTube channel, but just in a quick little vlog out here. Pretty cool. Used to be an old place where when they were doing expeditions out here, they'd come out here and play music. I'll post this on my YouTube channel, but just in a quick little vlog out here. Pretty cool. Used to be an old place where when they were doing expeditions out here, they'd come out here and play music. I let off 2 rounds. Just kind of fun. Just wanted to do it. Here we are. Pretty tragic spot called Carcass Wash. I read about this before I came here, and Carcass Wash was it's a place where, so just prior to the creation of Lake Powell, a party of 49, including Explorer Scout Post from the LDS Pleasant View, 3rd Ward, Provo, Utah, set out on an expedition to run Colorado River Rapids between the Hole in the Rock, Glen Canyon, riding an open truck. They reached this point at approximately 3:15 on the afternoon of June 10th, 1963. The truck stalled as it ascended the grade on your left. Right over there. Rolling backward, it overturned. Oh, its brakes failed. Rolling backwards, it overturned and rolled down a steep embankment on the other side of a sharp curve from this monument. 7 scouts and 6 adults lost their lives in this tragic highway accident, 3rd worst in Utah's history. In loving memory of those who perished. Erected and dedicated June 10th, 1993. There's some pennies here for the monument. Very sad, very tragic place. Can you imagine that a lot of people died here not too long ago? So ahead you can see that is where Hole in the Rock is. The Mormons excavated that. We'll get closer and we'll check it out, but I made it. I made it here. I made it. I made it to Hole in the Rock. There's a registry up there. I'm about to go hike down there in a little bit. Looks like there's 2 other people here, which is nice. At least I'm not alone. So, let's read about Hole in the Rock. Uh-oh. Looks like it needs to be replaced. But let's see the registry. Let me fill this out real quick. I signed the registry. Here I am now. I'm gonna go down to the canyon. We're going down through there. Let's check it out. As you can see, there's the lake down there. Lake Powell. That's where I'm going. So this is where I am currently. I presume I have to go down there, and then that will be the lake, but I don't really want to get down there quite yet, just because I just don't think it's very safe right now to do by myself. So I gotta get back up here. Actually, I decided not to go down to the canyon. I'm gonna make my way back up now. It was just not. It's more trouble than it was worth, and I think I need to make my way up safely now. So, getting back up. I saw as much as I could. Now I'm going back up. That's where I gotta go. I have to leave that lawn chair down there. It's just gonna be too much of a pain to get back up with that. So this is all I can take for right now. I'm kind of stuck here, so trying to get... That was a harrowing experience. I finally made it back up. It was very tough though. Definitely nervous, but I made it back. I almost had to call emergency services just because it was very slippery to get back up, but I made it. I made it. Thank God, alhamdulillah, I made it back. Good to go. Definitely won't go alone again, but experiences like this definitely make you a man, sort of thing, you know. It was a very tough experience, just personally by myself out here. Now I got to get back to town before it gets dark.